Hey there, Stampers. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada. And I am super excited to be here today to share with you the August 2021 class in the mail, or card class to go. Now, this is something that I offer monthly. I partner with Laura Milligan, a US demonstrator, and every month we design 6 projects to share with you, featuring usually a bundle and another collection of products. All right, so this month we are focusing on the absolutely stunning Peaceful Cabin bundle from the July to December 2021 mini catalog. Now, this bundle is part of a larger suite called the Peaceful Play Suite, and you can check that out on page, I should have flagged this before I started my video, but let's see if I can find it quickly. Here we go, pages 36 and 37 of the mini catalog. All right, so I've got a few different options that you can choose to participate in. Option number 1 is $45 and includes half a package of the DSP, a spool of the glitter organdy ribbon, and a package of the subtle shimmer sequence, as well as the card kits for the 6 different cards that we're going to make this month, 2 of which are fun folds. So I'll share a little peek at those in a minute. So that is option number 1. It's $45 plus the cost of shipping if you need it shipped. Otherwise, if you are local to me, you are more than welcome to pick it up. And if it does need to be shipped, I will cut the paper down in half just to save on shipping. Okay, so that is option number 1. Option number 2 is you can choose to add on the bundle. So you can purchase all of these items. A full package of the DSP, the glittered ribbon, organdy ribbon, the subtle shimmer sequence, and the bundle. So if you don't have a bundle, this is the I Want It All option is the best option for you. If you do purchase this bundle, you'll want to use the class host code, which will be in the description below. And if you do purchase this option, I will also send you a little 6x6 sampling of our silver specialty paper that is in the mini catalog, because I think it works really well with this suite. All right, if you are a treasure stamper, so if you are a member of my team, you have the option, you will get this tutorial for free. All you have to do is request it, and you have the option of adding on the card kits for $15. And then option number 4 is for anyone who lives outside of Canada. You can either contact Laura Milligan and she can send the kits to you, or you can purchase a tutorial, and I will link to the tutorial from me below. All right, so those are the options. Deadline to register for this class is August 19th. So a relatively quick turnaround. Now let me share the cards with you. We've got one. This is a mini Slimline card, and it's a fun fold. You don't want to miss out on this one. It's really fun. This one. We really focused on the DSP. It is such stunning DSP. And then this one here. So some great cards. I'd love for you to participate. Be sure to check out the link below, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.